The motto here is doers, not talkers, and it's really true. People here they find a project, they have an idea, and they take it, they find people with the right expertise and make things happen. And it's just been a lot of fun. I love the original Surface tablet, but I saw a problem being a taller gentleman. The angle of the screen was a little weird for me. I kind of crouched over like this. And so I wanted to be able to raise the screen up higher, especially when using with regular desktop monitors and have everything all at the same level for ergonomics. The first prototype I did at home in my garage with a Dremel tool, and I wanted to take the original Surface Pro and put it on its side and have the Surface tablet sit in portrait configuration. Our current design incorporates parts from the landscape docking station you can buy at retail today, and we extract the cabling and circuit board from that product. And we have a 3D printed and laser cut model right now. It takes about 4 to 6 hours to print some of the 3D printed parts, and we laser cut additional parts. And we mount it on a industry standard VESA mount, so you can hook it up to monitor arms or a desktop mount next to your monitors. So this is my Surface Pro 3 tablet, and I just got back from a meeting. Imagine I just got back from a meeting. I'm going to dock it and lock it. And now I've got my Surface Pro 3 high DPI screen next to my regular 1080p desktop monitors. I can have Microsoft Word over here, Excel over here, and my bonus screen right here. Another cool thing I can do is I can have applications span multiple monitors. And if you'll notice, all the images are the same size across all the monitors, even though the Surface screen are much higher resolution than the 1080p monitors. On my workstation at Microsoft, I have 3 large monitors, and I just love having all that screen real estate. So one thing that I wanted to accomplish with this project was to use the Surface, which I think is a fabulous device, and use it in a seamless way with multiple monitors. And I think with our current model, we've definitely achieved that.